per week right now.
So it's not as much as we need, but it's better than the alternative.
New Jersey will receive 130,000 vaccines for the next 3 weeks, scheduling second doses within up to a 6-week period after new guidance from the CDC.
They prefer 21 and 28 days, but it has to be stretched out. They didn't want anyone to think that it would not be effective.
As local health departments are monitoring cases of the more contagious UK strain of the virus.
Today we are reporting the first documented Montgomery County case.
Right now, New Jersey is reporting an additional 6 new cases.
Montgomery County says next Wednesday it will open another vaccine clinic for people receiving their first doses. That will be at Darstown High School. As for Philadelphia, we know they broke ties with Philly fighting COVID. They said their health department will now be setting up a vaccine clinic again in the convention center. But